Love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing, no such thing. Heart beating fast, let a nigga know that he alive.
Saying bye to my room, y'all. She sleep on the floor, but saying bye. I still gotta get clothes out, but it's the last bit of stuff. And these are all like my sports bags, but I have to take my vinyls, but that's pretty much it. We're all moved out. How you feeling? Hot? I don't know. Hey y'all, it's Lauren Kennedy and welcome back to my channel. It's July 4th and by the time you guys are watching this, it's probably not going to be July 4th. It's 4th of July. I just moved in this past Saturday. It was chaotic and I didn't film a lot of my moving process because at first they put me in an apartment that was not good, y'all. So I just was like, it was chaotic and it was just horrific. It was just a lot going on in there. It wasn't up to par. My parents were like, you're not moving here, and I didn't move into that apartment. But they ended up getting me squared away and I'm in my new apartment. I'm currently in a 2-bedroom because there were so many other issues prior to. Like I said, I don't know if that was a red flag, but y'all, I'm officially in my own place. And I'm super excited. I've had a lot of support and help from my family, and I actually have my grad party this upcoming weekend. Today will be my first official day in my apartment. So today, since I didn't really film my moving vlog, I wanted to film my empty apartment tour because I still don't have furniture and I'm still working on it. For the most part, my room is complete because I just brought a lot of the things from my room back home. But I will show y'all what my apartment is looking like so far. This will not be a detailed walkthrough because I am not going to go into every place in my apartment, but I'll show y'all the gist of everything. And yeah, I'm super excited about this place. I can see myself being here long term. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So after we come in from the door, we have my kitchen on the right, and this is what my kitchen looks like. It oversees the living room, but I have to wash these. That's what I'm actually about to do. But here's my kitchen sink and some sweets and a candle and a few other things. I have to clean up here because it's a little messy, but this is what it's looking like so far. I got this from Amazon. And here is my dishwasher along with all my stainless steel appliances. I have my air fryer and my Keurig that I kept from college, so that's there. Then of course here are my cabinets. I'm not going to go through all of my cabinets because I just feel like it's pointless, but I can show you guys my cups. I am a cup fanatic, so that's why that's there. And in here I just keep coffee and a lot of vitamins and stuff. Stuff has my address on it and I'm not going to be showing that. So over here is my pantry and of course my fridge, which is empty. It just juice, water, eggs, and rice and stuff to make sandwiches. So that's that. And yeah, nothing in there. So yeah. So as we move over here, this is my linen closet. Nothing much in here, but it's cool. Just some sheets and a little bit of stuff. So this is my first bathroom. Super cute. There's me. And we move into my second bedroom. And this is what it's looking like. This is going to be my office space. And I don't have much in here because I don't know, because I don't have any furniture in here yet. So yeah. And over here we have a closet. So as we move back here, I have my living / dining space. I got these from Amazon, and these were only like $100 for 2. And they're emerald green because my theme, you guys will see my theme later, but it's a part of my theme. And then over here, this is where my dining table is gonna go, and this is where my couch and stuff is gonna go. And this blow up mattress is my temporary couch. So these are most of the pillows that are going to go on my couch, but since it's my temporary couch, they're on there. And y'all, this lamp, I've wanted it for years, and I finally got it. So yeah. Then over here is my temporary TV stand and my TV. I'm watching YouTube, but I got this from TJ Maxx, this from my mom, and then this mirror was in my bedroom at home. And out here is just my balcony and some extra storage. So yeah, I have this down here because this needs to be repaired, and I have to tell the people that it needs to be repaired. I also got this from Wayfair. I'll show you guys the finished look afterwards. In here is my room, y'all, and my room is literally identical from back home. I got these lamps from Burlington. They're literally brand new, and these nightstands off of Facebook Marketplace, they're IKEA. They're normally $90 a piece, and I got 2 for $65. That's a deal. I have my dresser over here and a mirror in that corner. I have to clean all this up and put all my clothes away, but this is what it's looking like, y'all. It's so cute. And this is my favorite part. I just think this is so cute. This is all my smell goods and whatnot, and I have to put my clothes away. And here's my closet. I will show you guys my finished closet tour when I finish furnishing my apartment. And here is my bathroom. My bathroom is not finished. My other bathroom is finished before this one, but it's so cute. But yeah, this is the overview of my bedroom. So that's it for my unfurnished apartment tour. Right now I'm just thugging until everything comes in, and everything will start being delivered tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned. I'm going to be filming the process, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I love you all, and I will see you guys later. Bye.